Disney Lorcana just came out with Wilds Unknown, and what's significant about this set? Well, it's Disney's first ever Pixar Lorcana set, and it's featuring Toy Story. Right here is a booster box of Wilds Unknown. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. And here we have the beautiful Disney Lorcana Wilds Unknown booster box on top of the beautiful foil playmat. So let's get right into it because we have 24 packs to open up here. The nice thing about booster boxes is that the display looks so awesome when you first open it up. If you just want a cool looking display, there it is right there. I personally feel a little bit on the greedy side when I go ahead and open up a booster box in one sitting, but I'm not gonna lie, it is nice just ripping through packs for fun. And we have our, okay, let's go. We got the legendary Mr. Incredible, and we got the epic Woody right off the bat. That is an awesome start. I personally really love that Woody epic card. And see, look, we got the regular version right there as well. But what color decks are you guys playing out in Wilds Unknown? Me personally, I feel like it's really hard for me not to go Amethyst Amber. Purple Yellow just seems like so much fun for this set, especially with that new Dale card. And with the new pack ripping experience, I can honestly say that I'm probably ripping so many packs for Wilds Unknown because I'm chasing so many Enchanteds. And we got our second legendary of the day. We hit an Enchanted. We hit an Enchanted. I think I might have slightly seen it. That's my second one. Oh my God, I already have one. I hit a duplicate Enchanted. I hope the booster box has another one. I talked pretty poorly about this Enchanted, and what do? I hit two. That's you know what? I can't be mad because an Enchanted is an Enchanted. And it looks amazing. But wow, okay, two. Now I do still have hope that there's potentially an iconic in here somewhere, but generally when you hit one Enchanted out of a booster box, the chances of hitting a second one aren't really that high. So now that we've hit it so early out of the box, I'm gonna be mainly chasing either an iconic or other legendaries that I need. I do have my 4 Dales already. But guess who's gonna be interested in making multiple decks out of the new Wilds Unknown set? Me. I'm gonna have a lot of fun because I'm really curious. Okay, Mrs. Incredible, Steel, legendary. I'm really curious on how the Steel and Ruby decks are gonna play out for this set because I really do like the mechanic of that new Sid legendary that came out. It's gonna make Ruby a lot of fun and make it a little bit different, especially since Ruby I feel like hasn't gotten enough love from previous sets. I see something, okay, it's just the connecting artwork. So if you check out this Grumpy, this is not a miscut. This is actually a connecting artwork card. You know, it's kind of wild that I hit the same Enchanted out of Wilds Unknown twice now. Like, what are the odds of that? What are there, 36, 24 Enchanted? I forget the exact number. And I've now hit 2 out of 2 completely different products. I thought I saw something shiny for a second, but I hit it out of the trove on pre-release day. And now I've hit it, okay, we got an Ursula foil. So I did see something a little shiny. Someone at my pre-release night did hit an Enchanted and an Iconic out of the same booster box. So I know it is possible because I feel like the seeding, okay, Mr. Incredible Epic. We are at our 2 epic mark now. So it is possible to hit both of those. I don't see too many multi-enchanted booster boxes, but that's not to say that we won't be one of them and that it never happens. But I do have 2 more booster boxes in the case that I purchased. And if you're not familiar with Disney Lorcana, you can purchase a case from your local card shop and we hit another Woody Legendary. Nothing crazy behind it, but I love this legendary card. But when you buy a case, you generally do so to increase your chance of hitting an Enchanted out of the box. Because generally, you're just playing randomness when you are opening up other products. And as we get closer to the end of the booster box, it does feel like a booster box is such a hefty product to open, if I'm being completely honest. I don't know how some people just rip through a case on day one. But if you guys didn't know, I generally am a short form creator, so you'll generally see more of my short form content online. But let me know what you guys think of the long form format. And we hit the Luisa Madrigal, which is awesome because I didn't have too many legendaries of her. I am trying to run through these last couple of packs a little more quickly because I do have 3 minutes left of charge, and we hit another Ursula legendary. And I am trying to make sure that I get all of this filmed in one sitting, as it is a pretty tough setup usually. Usually I just point myself at the camera and rip packs. But this time we are running through the setup and going through it as is. Let me know what your thoughts are on the new Wilds Unknown set and how it's been treating you. Because this set's a lot of fun. The artwork and nostalgia are a lot of fun, and I'm really excited to see what Lorcana has in store for us. We are creeping up on the last 3 packs, and I'm going to go for a little bit more sleight of hand of an open. But yes, be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe. I am so not used to saying those words, but let me know if you want more long form content. This is the last pack of the box. And I am watching the counter hit 54 seconds left. I see something slightly shiny in the back, and it is not an Enchanted or better. Excuse the mountain of packs, but we did hit an Enchanted out of this box, so that is a win. As we also hit a bunch of legendaries and epics out of the box as well. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to tune in next time.